Fifth question is, how many liters of water will a cubical vessel hold if its side measures 50 centimeters? So let us write the given data. One side of a vessel is equal to 50 centimeter. Since it is a cubical vessel, the formula is volume of a cubical vessel is equal to side into side into side. Let us substitute the value, that is 50 centimeter into 50 centimeter into 50 centimeter. And we know that 5 fives are 25 and 25 fives are 125. That 125 we will write here, and there are three zeros. That three zeros we will write here, and the unit is centimeter into centimeter into centimeter, that is centimeter cube. Moving to the last question of the session. Two vessels have length 9 centimeter and 8 centimeter, breadth 6 centimeter and 7 centimeter, and height 5 centimeter and 10 centimeter respectively. Which of these vessels will hold greater volume of a liquid and by how much? Read the question one more time. Respectively means it is in that order itself. Here in this question, length, breadth and height of two vessels are given. So, whatever data is given at the first should be assigned for vessel 1, and whatever data is given the second time has to be given for the vessel 2. So let us find the volume of two vessels separately. For that, first of all, let us write the data of vessel 1, that is length is equal to 9 centimeter, breadth is equal to 6 centimeter and height is equal to 5 centimeter. Note down one thing, you cannot write the length of vessel 1 as 8 centimeter. Why? Because it is clearly mentioned that the length, breadth and height is given respectively. So you should follow that order. And what we have to find here is volume. So let us write the formula, that is length into breadth into height. Then we have to substitute the values, that is 9 centimeter into 6 centimeter into 5 centimeter. Before doing the calculation, let us write the data for vessel 2 also. So for vessel 2, length is equal to 8 centimeter, breadth is equal to 7 centimeter and height is equal to 10 centimeter. And same like vessel 1, we have to write the formula for finding volume, that is length into breadth into height. Then substitute the values, that is 8 centimeter into 7 centimeter into 10 centimeter. Now let us do the calculation part of vessel 1. We know that 9 6 are 54 and 54 multiplied with 5. We know 5 4s are 20. We will write 0 here, 2 we will write here. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 2 is 27. So we will write it here. And the unit is centimeter into centimeter into centimeter, that is centimeter cube. So now let us do the calculation part of vessel 2. It is given 8 centimeter into 7 centimeter into 10 centimeter. First of all, let us multiply 7 centimeter with 10 centimeter. That is equal to 70. It is not compulsory that you have to do in this order. You can multiply like how much is 8 sevens, then you can multiply with 10. That's up to your choice. I am only showing one way here because these are the basic calculations that you all know. Then 70 into 8. We know 8 zeros are 0 and 8 sevens are 56. So we will write the value 560 and the unit is centimeter cube. And we know that question is to find the vessel that hold greater volume of a liquid and by how much. Now you tell which of the vessel will hold greater volume of a liquid. Yes, it is vessel 2. Why? Because volume of vessel 2 is 560 centimeter cube while the volume of vessel 1 is only 270 centimeter cube. So we can write vessel 2 will hold greater volume of liquid. Now the question is by how much? That means how much more volume does vessel 2 can hold than vessel 1? We have already learned that maximum volume of liquid that a vessel can hold is the capacity of that vessel. So here we found that maximum volume of that a vessel 1 can hold is 270 centimeter cube and vessel 2 can hold is 560 centimeter cube. That means capacity of vessel 1 is equal to 270 centimeter cube and capacity of vessel 2 is equal to 560 centimeter cube. How much more capacity does vessel 2 has can be found by finding the difference between capacity of vessel 1 and vessel 2. So we can write more capacity that vessel 2 can hold is equal to capacity of vessel 2 minus capacity of vessel 1. So let us substitute the values. Capacity of vessel 2 is 560 centimeter cube minus capacity of vessel 1 is 270 centimeter cube. By doing subtraction, we will get the answer 290 centimeter cube. That is, vessel 2 can hold volume of 290 centimeter cube more liquid than vessel 1. That's all for today. Copy these 6 numericals to your notebook. Write and practice the numericals. Thank you and have a nice day.